welcome to my channel. My name is NmaEsobe, and in today's video we're going to be working on how to mold a fascinator base. All those fascinators you see, the round base, different shapes and sizes. So we're going to be trying it out with the molder that we have here. Alright, so these are the materials we'll be working with. We have our molder. It can come in any shape or any size. Then our mat. Some people use cinnamon, but I prefer the mat. Then over here we have the lining, any color of your choice. Let's say you're working with a red fabric, you can go ahead and do red lining, or any color of fabric you're working with. Black is okay. Black is a general color. Over here we have our stiffener. This is what we're using to mold. And then here we have our mixing bowl and our brush. All right, so some stiffeners come in thick consistency. Some are in liquid consistency, like they've already been mixed, but in our own case it's not been mixed. So I'll be showing you how to mix this. Pour in a little into your mixing bowl, then add some water, then mix. Now this is the consistency we are looking for, not too watery, not too thick. After mixing your solution, we set it aside. Next, we cut out our mat in a square form, measuring with our molder. You keep your molder, give some allowance, and cut out to the size of the molder you want, so that we can be able to wrap our molder in 4 corners. The same way we cut out our lining. Now you place your already cut out mat, and then on top of it you place your lining. Now our molder, you turn it upside down and drop it on top. I forgot to mention that we'll be working with pins to hold our mats in place. Now please watch closely as I fold in and mat. Holding the two opposites, let me call it the North Pole and South Pole, you pin down. Please pardon my fingernails, I beg you. You do the same to the west and the east. Now we are going to be folding these other areas down, just to make sure that we don't have a wrong fold. Alright, this is what we've been trying to achieve. The next step now is to apply the stiffener on the body of the mat. Make sure you get all the areas and all the corners. We have gotten to this point. I would like you to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. You'll be doing me a whole lot of favor. Also, you want to get this inner corner. At this point, we've been able to apply the stiffener all around the molded base. So we'll put it under the sun, allow it dry for 3 to 4 hours. Okay guys, it's been 3 hours since I left it under the sun to dry. So it's dry, and this is how you mold your fascinator base. You can watch my next video on how I make out a fascinator with this base. Until next time, see you guys, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.